cameras right now. It's been a while. It's been a little bit since we've done this. It feels really good to finally just sit in an area and shoot a film. This is my new studio. You'll see a lot of this background, this right here. I also have a white and a black paper up here, so I can roll those down and do like a white background or a black background. This is for my customer-based stuff, so I can have a customer come into this studio here and we could shoot, you know, talking head scenario type stuff. Very excited about this situation. Camera A7III. I sold the A7S II. I have been very surprised at how well this camera does. I've been very excited about this camera, but we'll get into all that stuff here in a little bit. I first and foremost want to say how thankful I am to you guys for still watching my stuff, even though I haven't posted anything in the last like 2 months. But I appreciate you guys still watching and subscribing and liking, commenting. It's pretty cool to still come to my YouTube channel and see you guys engaging in that. That feels good. That being said, so 2018 is almost over, and like my goal for 2018, I'm gonna try to get to 1,000 subscribers. It may happen, it may not happen, but I'm gonna really try. I'm gonna try to post as much as I can, especially now that I have this, because this helps out a ton, just being able to come out into my little studio and shoot videos as I can and as I want to, so that makes it nice. So let's just talk about 2018 real fast, because it's been such a whirlwind of a year and so many things have happened. And it's kind of an exciting thing, also a scary thing, a frustrating thing. It's all these emotions wrapped into like one scenario. So I quit my job, as many of you know, through this channel. I posted a video on it like 3.5 months ago. Quit my job of 8 years, and I decided to go into my own business, being a videographer for commercial use, weddings, pretty much anything I can get my hands on, I'll do. And so far, so good. It's been a really good change of pace, and every day I wake up excited to do something different. There has been a few slow moments where it's like, oh crap, what's gonna happen now? And then it's like, whew. This industry is so needed, and there's so much, you know, business and work out there. As long as you do good work and you're pretty fast and fluid and have good communication, that's like number one, you'll continue to do a lot of work. So with that said, here's like a little highlight reel of things that I've been doing this year. It's been so much fun and so intriguing. The people I've met, the kind of shoots I've been on, the places I've been to. I mean, just a short period of time, it makes me so excited for what's next to come. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's been a lot of fun to create all those memories. I think that's it. I don't really have anything else. So hit that subscribe button, maybe give it a thumbs up if you want. We'll talk to you guys in the next one, and peace.